Have you ever tasted with your feet? But butterflies taste with their feet. Like babies, butterflies live on an all-liquid diet. Butterflies live 2 to 4 weeks on average. Butterflies employ all kinds of tricks to keep from being eaten, such as folding their wings to blend into the background. Butterflies are nearsighted, and can see red, green, and yellow. Butterflies can't hear, but they can feel vibrations. Representations of butterflies are seen in Egyptian frescoes at Thebes, which are 3,500 years old. Butterflies are cold-blooded, and cannot fly if their body temperature is less than 86 degrees.